Here in Berlin, the heart of German innovation, we welcome you to our office to join one of our upcoming CIPP training sessions for aspiring privacy professionals. The IAPP, the world's leading privacy professionals organization, have developed the Certified Information Privacy Professional Europe certification and its preparation training to specifically empower you to fully understand Europe's central data regulatory framework, the General Data Protection Regulation. Whether you're involved in product development, product ownership, business, or are a legal counsel hoping to dive intensely into the data protection requirements that make or break the release of a compliant product, this training and the CIPPE certification are ideal for you. The CIPPE credential is a widely recognized and respected designation in privacy. Earning this certification demonstrates your comprehensive understanding of European data protection laws, principles, and best practices. As data privacy regulations become increasingly stringent, organizations are seeking qualified professionals with in-depth knowledge of these laws. The CIPPE certification makes you a highly sought-after candidate. And if you take on the role of your organization's DPO, this certification will likely increase your job security and salary potential. The combination of technical expertise and strategic thinking developed through our training can make you a valuable asset in leadership positions within data privacy teams. You'll contribute to shaping privacy programs and initiatives, ensuring that data privacy remains a priority. Have a look at our course page to learn more about the curriculum, the dates, and the course itself. I'd be happy to have you on the course.